Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Danish. Today I will tell you how do you payment of IQAS through mobile device. It's pretty simple. Just follow my video. I'm already in the payment page and you can see the daily limit error. I'm just refreshing the page. Just check how much time it will take to refresh the page or load the page. Make sure you have to just make sure that your pop-up window is unblocked, otherwise you will think you need a note in the end. And just refreshing the page again and again. Just check how much second it will take to refresh. Now you can see that it's 7:14. It's basically Pakistan Standard Time, and it's Alberta time. You can see the 8:14. 8:14 and 20 seconds. You can watch timeanddate.com and you can follow that watch. It will be good for you. And I will already check that how much time it will refresh. So just go there, the payment page around 7:14:50. I mean 8:14:50 Alberta time. And now here I'm the last page, and this refresh. And you see the again daily limit error. I just refresh again, and it's pretty simple, no problem. And now it's 8:15, and now you can see that page taking a lot of time, and maybe it's 2 or 3 minutes. You have to just wait, and you can see the submit button also appear. And I'm just waiting. It's take time. Now here you immediately click the preview my application and then click on the submit button. Now you see the screen is highlighted, so wait for a while and see the next window will be open, inshallah. And that's take time, so you have to be patient and wait for the next window. If your pop-up window blocked, so you will get the thank you note, otherwise you will get in the payment page directly. I'm just waiting, and just it's now 8:16 already. Now you can see now it's open. It's IQAS page open now, being form, and then you have to click on the submit, and here we go. You can go simple. Now it's almost done. Go to secure checkout and you can go easily. So please like and subscribe my channel, and it's pretty simple. Hope you will do it very easy and very quick. Bye and have a nice day.